Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do the cluster lattice stitch pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to single crochet and double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches. Now to get started, you want to chain multiples of 7. Once you have all your chains, you're going to start off by chaining 3. And in the 4th chain from the hook, you're going to work your first double crochet, followed by double crocheting in each chain all the way to the end of the row. Once you have done all of that, we have finished row 1. Now the repeat for this pattern is going to be rows 3 through 6. So to get started, you're going to chain 1 and single crochet in the first 2 stitches, followed by chaining 5, skipping 3 stitches, and single crocheting in the next 2 stitches. And that'll be the repeat for this row. So again, it's single crocheting in 2 stitches, followed by chaining 5, skipping 3, and single crocheting in the last 2 stitches. Next, we will turn our work and we will chain 2. And in that chain 5 space is where we're going to be working. We are going to work a 3 double crochet cluster. So that's where you end up working 3 double crochets into 1 stitch. So you have the 4 loops and pull through all 4. Then we're going to chain 3. And we're going to do another cluster in the chain 5 space. So you can see where it's yarn over, pull through, and then once you have 4 loops, you pull through all 4 loops. Then again, we're going to chain 3. And we're going to work a 3 double crochet cluster again. And that is the repeat for this row. So we're going to repeat this again in that chain 5 space where we're going to work a 3 double crochet cluster, followed by chaining 3 and working a 3 double crochet cluster. And chaining 3. And another 3 double crochet cluster, and then we're going to finish off by working a double crochet in the last stitch. And that is row 2. Sorry, that was row 3. My apologies. I'm not sure what row I'm on. So row 4, you're going to start off by chaining 7. And my apologies, at the beginning of the video, I said you only needed to know double crochet and half double crochet. You actually need to know how to do a treble crochet. I will link that as well. But for this row, you are going to chain 7, work 1 single crochet in the chain 3 space, followed by a single crochet in the next stitch and a single crochet in the chain 3 space. Then you're going to chain 5 and do it again. So it's a single crochet in the chain 2 space, a single crochet in the next stitch, and a single crochet in the next chain 3 space. You're going to chain 2, and in the last stitch, you're going to work a treble crochet. And that is row 4. Now row 5, we're going to turn our work and we are going to chain 2 and work 2 double crochet, work a 2 double crochet cluster in the first stitch. Then we are going to chain 3 and work a 3 double crochet cluster into that chain space from below. Then in the chain 5 space from the row below, we are going to work a 3 double crochet cluster, followed by chaining 3 and working a 3 double crochet cluster. Chaining 3 and working a 3 double crochet cluster. Then in this chain wall, we are going to work a 3 double crochet cluster, followed by chaining 3, and then you're going to want to locate exactly where 4 chains were up from the previous row, and in that chain you will work your last 3 double crochet cluster. And that is row 5. Now row 6, and this is our final one for our repeat. Remember, it's rows 3 through 6 is our repeat. We're going to chain 1 and we're going to single crochet in the first stitch and then single crochet in the chain 3 space. Then we will chain 5, work a single crochet in the chain 3 space, a single crochet in the next stitch, and a single crochet in the chain 3 space, followed by chaining 5, working a single crochet in the chain 3 space, and working a single crochet in the last stitch. And there you have it. That is how you do the cluster lattice stitch pattern. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.